Now you know how to embed JavaScript code directly in the HTML file or how to include external JavaScript file. Now I want to show you that you are able to execute JavaScript code directly in the console of the browser. Let's open up Developer Tools, F12, and here open Console tab. In my case, it is already opened and we are ready to go on. Let's log to the console, something here directly in the browser. So console.log, and here will be line JavaScript can be executed directly here, semicolon, and enter. And here you see this line. JavaScript can be executed directly here. Let's use other command. Please type here simply alert, and here in the parentheses let's type message hello Bogdan. You can type your name and enter. And here you will see pop-up with this message. Let's click OK. And now let's log to the console, for example, number form. Enter, and here I'll see form. But you can ask me why we get here 3 times undefined. Here, here, and here. What does it mean? All those messages, here, here, and here, are results of the function calls. Here is function call, here is function call, and here is function call. So log is one of the methods of the console, and console is an object. And using parentheses here, we call one of the methods, log, of this object. And here in the parentheses, we pass this string as an argument in this function call. Same here, alert is a function, and we pass this string as an argument for this function. And again, here you see parentheses. Parentheses mean that we call function. Same happens here, but now instead of string, we pass here a number as an argument. Confused? I think now it's a good time to talk about some concepts in JavaScript. In JavaScript, almost everything is an object. Let's talk about this next. See you! This was last video in the current section. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up button. Also, here you will find link to the next section. This video lecture is part of the JavaScript Bible course, and link to the full-length course you will find now here. See you in the next sections and happy learning! Bye!